So today we have task number 3, which is defensive security. This is the second major area within security. While offensive security involves actively finding vulnerabilities and misconfigurations within technologies, defensive security involves detecting and stopping these attacks. This career track is for you if you are analytical, you enjoy problem solving. One of the careers under this track is a security analyst. This is an individual in an organization whose job is to monitor various systems in the organization and detect whether any of these systems are being attacked. To do this, you need to understand how underlying technologies work and then understand what attacks against these technologies look like. You can learn about this using the room detect attacks using Splunk. Splunk will do this. While a security analyst deals with detecting attacks, an incident responder is usually brought in once an attack has already occurred. Their main responsibilities include understanding what actions an attacker has taken in the organization and what the impact of their actions will be. Incident responders also need to know how underlying technologies work and what potential attacks could be carried out against the system. They then analyze trace evidence left by an attacker. You can learn about this on this room. Analyze memory to trace an attacker's actions using volatility. Oh man, so many exciting things. We'll do that also in future. While this is a very specialist role, malware analyst is quite common when detecting and responding to attacks. Malicious actors would use malicious pieces of software in any stage of their attack cycle, from gaining access to a system to maintaining persistence. If you can understand what exactly this malware is doing, you can prevent further abuse and also identify the malicious action. You can learn about this on various rooms. We'll do all of these. We also have a cyber defense pathway that covers a broad set of skills, tools, and methodologies that would allow you to understand the fundamentals required for entry-level blue team roles. We'll do that as well. Answer the questions below. What is the name of the role whose job is to identify attacks against an organization? Analyst.